Assalamu alaikum my YouTube family. I hope you're all doing well. Today we are making this amazing and delicious recipe which is very easy to make and can be made with few ingredients. So let's make together Super Bowl sliders. So in order to make Super Bowl sliders, you need 2 pounds of ground beef, 24 Hawaiian buns, 1 diced onion, 1 packet of onion soup mix and quarter cup of mayonnaise. And we need some sliced cheese, some pickles, sesame seeds, butter, and 3 tablespoons of ketchup. So here is a little preview of all our ingredients that we're using. Onion soup mix is our secret ingredient that we are using in this recipe. So let's start. First of all, take a pot or take a pan and add some oil. Now I'm adding my diced onion. Now I'm going to saute this onion until onions become translucent. It's getting there. So you can see our onions are translucent and they are ready. So let's go to the next step. Now I'm adding my ground beef and we're gonna cook our ground beef until it is cooked. We're gonna wait until it changes color and there it's basically cooked. So now let's mix it together and wait till it's cooked. It's gonna take some time. So you can see the beef has changed color and now it's cooked. So next I'm adding my mayonnaise, which is about quarter cup, and to that I'm adding 3 tablespoons of ketchup. Now I'm adding my secret ingredient, which is onion soup mix, and we're gonna mix everything together. So now I'm taking my Hawaiian bread and I'm going to slice it in the middle and I'm going to start placing it on an aluminum foil sheet or a tray, and we're gonna arrange them. And we're gonna keep the tops for later. So once my sliders are arranged, now it's time to add our ground beef. So after ground beef, I'm adding my sliced cheese. You can use any cheese that you like. I'm using mild cheddar. And you can use as much cheese as you like. I added a lot of cheese because we like cheese. So after the cheese, I'm taking my pickles. I'm using dill pickles and I'm gonna put them on a paper towel and I'm gonna pat them dry so our sliders don't get soggy. So yet again, you can add as many pickles as you like. I'm just arranging them in a row. Now I'm gonna be putting the tops of our Hawaiian bread and arrange them nicely so they all fit together. As you can see, it looks amazing. Now I'm gonna brush some butter on top. Now take your sesame seed and we're gonna put some sesame seeds on top of our buttered buns or our buttered sliders. So they look absolutely amazing. Next, I'm gonna be covering it with aluminum foil. While you're doing this, don't forget to preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And once we cover them, we're gonna bake it for about 15 to 20 minutes or until your cheese is melted, and you can see they're fresh out of the oven, so they look absolutely amazing. You can see all that butter. Oh my god, they look absolutely amazing, and they were very delicious. They're very easy to make, and they're a little messy to eat, but who cares when you have an amazing dish in your hand. So I hope you like this recipe. Don't forget to try it on your Super Bowl night. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Allah Hafiz.